You may think that the fading from the scuffs is going to need to be re-dyed, but let me explain the concept of why leather can sometimes look faded. When leather ages and becomes dry, a simple scuff can really highlight those dry fibers of the leather, making it look like it needs new pigment. However, more often than not, you simply need to condition your leather with a hydrating wax or cream. So I'm going to skip this pigmented cream, though you may need it for your project, but I'm going to jump over to use some neutral leather cream. I just took the applicator sponge, took a small amount of that leather cream, and I'm gently applying it on the entirety of the leather. And as you guys can see, it's really covering those scuffs, hydrating the leather and darkening any of the lightened fibers. We just want to take a horsehair shoe shining brush and quickly brush over the surface of the leather like this. After that, you're all good to go.